Hello and good afternoon. My name is Robyn and this is the channel. So what's going on in your lives? All I know is it's over 100 degrees and I'm hot. So today I have my 180 degree box and I so feel like it's 180 degrees. So bear with me. So 180 degrees is a monthly subscription box. It's a lifestyle box. I'll leave the link and any discounts that I have for this box. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you brought your bottle of water and your fans with you. And please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future videos. And if you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I hope it's cooler where you live. I know there's rain and all sorts of stuff going on around the country. So let's get into the box. I believe this is my June box, and I think they always have a theme going on in the box. I've been filming all day, so I have little squigglies going around me. So let's see what we got going on. We've got seltzer summer cocktail, and I so wish I had a picture of this right now. And this is the June box, and it's Sun-Kissed June. And it says all about May theme. So is this the May or the June? I'm so confused because I'm so hot. And win your next box. So it tells you how you can win your next box. And they wrap this so nice. Look at how beautiful that's wrapped. So let's unbeautify it and get into it. Oh my goodness. There is something on the front that I get. Oh, it's a bag. I've been opening boxes all day and I've been getting bags in all my boxes, and you can never get too many. Never get too many bags. And how beautiful is this? It almost looks like a hat. And what's nice about this bag is it has a zipper. So nothing can fall out, and these are such beautiful colors. Look at how big it is inside. And again, these colors are so beautiful. And let me see if there is a card. I was a little confused by if it's May or June. Because it's got this next month's theme. Thanks for making 180 degrees part of your life. So, oh, there we go. Sun-Kissed. So we have, I guess you get a charm in here. So this is the Elsie and Zoe woven bag. Okay, now we're on track. And then we have, this box just came. It's hot off the press, so I think it's hot from sitting in the truck. And this is a wine freeze. So it looks like you pour or put this glass in the freezer, and so when you pour your wine in there, it's got the frozen thing in there. Now how neat is that? Wine freeze cooling cup. So if it makes it out in Arizona and it could keep my wine cold, it works. So that is one thing in the box. Oh, food, plantain chips, zip. I can't even pronounce it, but it's got some kind of salt. So we have that. And let's see if that's on the card. It's probably not going to go in order. Then we have well-told health energy booster, and they're pills. I can see them in there, and I'm always up for a good energy booster pill. And we have a moisturizing coconut rum. I don't know if this is go in the shower or if it's something that you rub on your skin. So let's check that out. It's Cara Brew Moisturizing Scrub. It's a body butter. I don't think that's this one. So confused. Must be this one. So it's a scrub. So I guess you put this, it's like having a cup of coffee. So it must go in the shower. And, oh, like this is an awful heavy thing. It's Ora Bora Hibiscus Passionate Fruit, and it's sparkling water. I'm not a big fan. They have a lot of these sparkling water drinks, wine coolers and stuff out. I'm not a big fan of them, but maybe I'll give it a try. Yeah, oh, more chips. Sweet platinum chips. So we got 2 bags of chips. Then we have Chucky Botanica Glow Nectar. So this is an oil. So I'm assuming it's an oil for your face. How fun is that? Ooh, and we got a little red bag. Is there jewelry in there? Is there something fun in there? Or is it that they're talking about a charm? Oh, they're earrings. Oh, how fun are these? I can't wear them, but how fun are these? These scream, get me to the Caribbean now. Now these are fun earrings. Wow. And then coconut water dragon oil. So this must be a mask. And I could go for a nice cooling mask right now. And then we have this heavy item. I don't want to take it out of there. Let's see if I can figure out what it is. Oh, is this a hair mask? Something said hair mask in here. Oh, it's a hair mask. And you know how much I love me some hair products. So this is a hair mask. And this that I can't open, and I don't want to take it out in case it's it gets all over. Root After Sun Spray. After a long day in the sun, use this calming after sun spray. This isn't, oh, maybe it is a spray. I guess I'll have to open it. It's an after sun spray. So you can walk from your front door to your back door here, and you'd have to use this because that's how much sun we got. What a fun summer box. I bet you that's what it is. That's why they put it in the plastic so it didn't leak. After sun. That's what this is. And I have been using our hot tub because it feels like a world of difference when you go in there. So we got the hair, the earrings, and that, oh my God, they must have read my mind. Cooling ice towel. So when you see me film videos from now on, I will be wearing this. So I guess do you put this in the freezer? You must put this like in the refrigerator or freezer, and then you wrap it around. So this will be my staple in my videos from now on. Let's see how we use that. it? That should have been at the top. Oh, here it is. Hot day, cooling ice towel will keep you cool in hot weather or during any form of activity. That doesn't tell you how to, what you do with it. So, what did you think of this great box? Let's just do a little mini recap. My favorite item by far is this. Oh, says how you use the chill towel. You wet it, you wring it, and you wave it. I guess it just gets cool by the water. So we got this, and 2 bags of these, and this hair mask, which I can't wait to try. And we got these fun earrings. We got the after sun spray. Oh no, that wasn't the after sun spray. This was the oil. This is the after sun spray. And we got this coffee scrub that's supposed to wake you up. And we got these booster vitamins. The sparkling water that should refresh. I'm gonna go put that in the refrigerator. This I can't wait to try is this cooling wine cup. And was that it? Oh, heavens. This gorgeous bag. Now this, I'm gonna change in my person. I don't know if you saw my FabFitFun video. I will leave the link for that. But we got a bag in that, and my review of that was, this bag is a 10. So let me know what your favorite item in this box is. Do you get this box? If you don't get this box, I think you need to get this box. This was an awesome month, and I think it says what the theme for next month is. Does it say? I don't know. I think it tells you what last month's was. Oh, next month's theme is so sensual. Ooh, that ought to be interesting. So again, thank you so much for watching my videos, being loyal to my channel, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.